Hi everyone, welcome to Nick IT Academy. In this session, we are going to learn how to install IICS in our Windows machine. It's a web-based tool. Installation is very easy. Just watch the session and parallelly you can start installing it. If you have any issues on the installation or if you have any queries, add your queries in the comments. I will answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be getting all the notifications. Let us start our installation. In our today's session, we are going to learn how to create IICS free trial account and how to install secured agent in our machine. So in order to work with IICS, we need to have IICS free trial account. It is a web-based free trial account. You can use it for next 30 days. So now let us start with how to create a free trial account. Just to follow these steps, you can able to create a trial account without any issues. So as a first step, go to this particular site. So you can just Google it, www.informatica.com. You can go to this particular link. And so you can see the free trial account, the options. So just to click on this free trial, you'll be seeing this, choose your free cloud platform trial. So just to go a little bit down, you can see one more free trial account here. Click on this. And here, this is the page for creating a free trial account. So it's a free for next 30 days. So we have to provide all the details here. Just to provide the details. So first name. So we can give our first name. So I'm just giving the first name here and the job title. So you can provide the job title as a developer and work email. So no need to provide the work email. So you can give your personal email. So just provide the personal email ID. So I'm just providing my email ID. I'm just providing my email ID. So you can provide your own email ID. It's a trial email ID. I'm just providing here. So I'm just providing the trial free email ID account here. So you can provide your own email ID. So user role, you can choose any role here. So I'm just choosing the developer role and you have to provide your phone number. So just to provide your phone number and organization name. So you can provide your organization name. So I'm just providing the organization name and you can go to the, so you can provide any name here. You can go to the country. You can select the country and state, city, postal code and your nearest data center location and click on this. I have read and agreed to the subscription agreement. Then this will be enabled. Click on this start your free trial. You'll be getting this particular message. Congratulations on starting your trial account. So check your inbox for more information. You can go to the email ID here. You can find, so you should have received one email. So go to this email, then verify this account. Click on verify me now. So just to provide the password. So email ID as our username and password you can choose and confirm password. You can choose the secret question and you can provide the secret question answer. Then submit to your account. So this is what the page you'll be getting it. So in this page, you can click on don't show this again. So click on this. So this is the first page you can see here. So we have successfully created an IICS account based on the role we have chosen. So you'll be seeing the services. If you have chosen that administrator role or any other role, so you can find other services are enabled. If you're a data integrator, yeah, these services are enough. So just click on the data integration to create a mapping. To create a secured agent, you can click on administrator and go to monitor to see the jobs. So just we have created a 30 days free trial account. So this is the way we will create IICS free trial account. So in order to create a secured agent, we have to go to this particular page. After successfully creating this Informatica Cloud account, go to this administrator. And you can go to runtime environment. So you'll be seeing that Informatica Cloud hosted agent is up and running. So this cloud hosted agent is running in the cloud machine. The data center we have chosen, right? So in the data center, it is up and running. In order to run any IICS mapping, we need to have our local secured agent. So just click on the download secured agent. So for Windows machine, we can choose whatever the OS we have. We can choose the OS here and copy the installation token. So just to copy this install token, you can copy this and click on download. So it will be downloaded. Based on our internet speed, it will take 1 or 2 minutes. So once downloaded, just to click on the agent, click on yes. So we'll be getting this particular installation. So this is the page you will be getting it. So you can leave this particular location as it is and just to click on next, click on install. Make sure that if you have already installed IICS, just uninstall the IICS, go to C drive. You can go to the program files, and here, if you have already a folder, just delete that folder before installing it. Okay. So here we have to provide the username. So you can provide the email ID as a username, and the install token is whatever the install token we have copied. So that token we have to copy here, and we have to provide username as the email ID which we have given. Just to provide the email ID as username, and whatever the install token we have copied while downloading, just paste the token and click on register. If you have forgot this token or you have copied something else different, then go here, generate install new token. Okay, so just you can generate it. So now just click register. So it is showing that secured agent is starting up. So we'll be seeing that not all the services are ready. It's not an issue. You can go here. You can reload this particular page. So now you should have one more secured agent should be added. So you can see here desktop, the secured agent has been added. It is showing like not all the services are up and running. You can go inside. You can see here, right? So it's starting up. So you wait for 1 or 2 minutes. One by one it will get. You can refresh the page. One by one the services will be up and running. We'll wait for some more minutes. So very first time the data integration service will take more time to start up. So we'll wait for some more time and then it will get automatically, it will up and running. Yeah, you can see here. So all the services are up and running now. So just we have installed secured agent, and you can see here the cloud hosted agent is up and running and the local secured agent is up and running. It should be up and running. Both should be up and running. So then you can create the mappings and you can run it. If you are facing any issues on the installation, please watch my session on issues in the IICS account. I have explained how to solve that. Thank you. In our previous session, we have seen how to create a trial account in IICS and how to install secured agent in our machine. In this session, we will see how to create a sample connections and how to create a first mapping in IICS. So for this example, we are going to create a sample connection. So I'm going to take a data from Oracle table. I'm going to take the data from Oracle table and I'm going to load the data into Oracle table itself. So left hand side, we have the source and right hand side, we have the target. So I'm going to use Oracle table here. And here we can have the same Oracle table. I have installed Oracle 21c in the machine. You can also install Oracle 21c or any other databases. So source might be a different data sources, target might be a different data sources. So in this example, I just created Oracle to Oracle connection. I'm going to bring the Informatica IICS. So through Informatica IICS, I'm going to read the data from source. So this source, and just I'm going to load it into the target, and I'm going to write the data into this target table. So here I have the HR schema. In the source, we have one schema called HR schema. In the HR schema, I have a table called employees. So I'm going to read the data from this employees table. So through IICS, and I'm going to write the data into the core user, and we have the table called T_employees here. So this table I'm going to read. It's a table to table load. So we can see here, it's an RDBMS table to RDBMS table load. In real-time project, we'll be seeing different connections. So from here, I'm going to read the data. From here, I'm going to write the data. I'm going to read the data from source, and I'm going to write the data into a target table. It's a table to table load. So that to RDBMS table to RDBMS table load. So in the real-time project, you may have RDBMS to cloud, or a flat file to cloud, or a cloud to cloud, or any other different varieties of source and targets. So if you look at here, I have the SQL developer. You can also install the Oracle database or SQL Server database. Just you can see the connections. And here in HR schema, I have the table called employees table. So you can see I have 107 record in the source. I'm going to load this data into the target table. So this is the target table. You can see as of now, I do not have any data. So first of all, whatever the data sources we have, so just we have to go to the administrator services. Just click on administrator services. So make sure that both of the services are up and running. Go to the connections. So we will create a new connections. So right side corner, you can see the new connections. Click on new connections. So through IICS, we are going to create a connection to connect source to connect with the target. So whatever the connection we are going to create, just to provide the connection name. I'm going to provide the connection name is Oracle_SRC. And if you want to provide the description, you can provide the type, you can provide the Oracle. So type you can provide as Oracle, and runtime environment you can choose here the local machine, and the Oracle subtype is Oracle on-premises server, and username you can provide the HR schema and HR user, and password also HR. So whatever the password you have, the user credentials, so provide all the credentials, and here you can use the local host. Port number is 1521 and service name. So here in my system, the service name is XCP DB1. So in your system, if it is XE or ORCL, any connections you can provide. And code page, you can provide any code page. I'm just providing the UTF-8. So whatever your source connection details you have, just to provide the connection and click on test connections. So you can have SQL Server or you can have any other connection also. So just to provide the connection details, you should see this. The test should be successful. So click on save. The same way we will create one more connection. So go to connections here, just to create one more connections, Oracle_TGT. So just to create Oracle_TGT. So here you can create the Oracle connection, and you can go to same way you can choose the local runtime environment. Username, I'm just using the core user, and password also core, and host name you can provide local host, and 1521 and XCP DB1. So you can provide these details. So please watch the description. I have provided the installation for this Oracle 21C or 11G. You can follow the steps and you can install Oracle or SQL Server or whatever the databases you want. provide the details here and click on the code page and go to and test the connection. The connection should be successful. Click on save. We have created 2 connections here. So now we will create a mapping to read the data from this employees table and load the data into T underscore employees. So this connection name here we have used. So Oracle underscore SRC. This is the connection name we have used. So here we have used the connection name is called Oracle underscore TGT. So whenever you are using Oracle underscore source, it will connect to this particular database. Whenever we use Oracle underscore TGT, it will connect to this particular database. So now we will create a mapping. You can go to the data integration page. So go to this particular page. This is a home page. So before creating a mapping, we will create a folder. We will create a project and we will create a folder. So you can create a new project here. So just to create a new project. So you can create a project and you can create inside the project, you can create a folder. So just I have created a project, then I'm creating a mapping. You can go to the new mapping. So click on mapping here. And so this is what the mapping. So initially the mapping will be invalid state. So you can go to the mapping name. The same way we can provide the name here. So M underscore, the mapping name will be our test mapping. So we can provide the test mapping or employees details. So just I'm giving the mapping name is M underscore employees underscore details. The location is nothing but our project. So description, if you want to give a description, you can provide. So to read data from HR.employees and load it into core.t underscore employees table. So just you can provide this and click on source here. So if you want to give the source name, you can provide the source name as employees. It is not a necessary, but if you want to give, you can give here employees and click on the maximize window here. Go to source. So you can provide the connection as source here and connection source type single object. You can click on select. So it will be the source object will be selected. You can provide select whatever the object we want. Just I have selected employees table. So you can see here field. So all the field will be populated from the source and source we have defined. So later I will tell you this filter, sort and other options here. We have a lot of options, same like our power center. You can go to the target now. So you can make the target name is T underscore employees and maximize the page and go to target. So choose a target connection which we have created. It's a single object. Select the target table, which we have created the table name called T underscore employees. So click on OK and click on truncate target table. So truncate target table in the sense. So this option will truncate before loading the data into target table. It will truncate the data and then it will load. So go to field mapping here. So you can verify the target fields and go to field mapping. You can see the field mapping. So you can provide auto map or you can provide manual mapping. So here you'll be seeing that auto map. So you can choose the smart map to provide the mapping here. So this is what the column level mapping we are providing in IICS. Just click on save. The mapping should be valid now. See here the mapping we have created. For the mapping, we can create a task and then run it, or without task also we can run. Just click on run here. So make sure that your runtime environment is our local machine. So by default, it will be selected with Informatica Cloud. So if you are choosing Informatica Cloud, then the connection will not be there, then it will fail. So go to desktop, choose this option, then go to run. So my jobs. So you can see this job is running now. So click on refresh. So you can see the success and it has loaded all the data here. Right. So you can see the data has been loaded. So all the 107 record has been loaded into the target table. So we just read the data from the source table and load it into the target table. So do the same way. You can install Oracle 21C. I have given the 21C installation step in the description. You can follow it and then you can install and create the two schema. One is HR schema, another user schema called core, and just load the data. Thank you. So practice this. So next concept we will see in the next session.